Hello, guys. Welcome back to the iMyPhone channel. It's known that Excel files can be a treasure trove of data, but what happens when they break or get corrupted? Today we're going to tell you how to fix a broken or corrupt Excel. Let's dive in. First, let's learn why was the Excel file broken. Here are 3 main reasons. File interruption. Saving a file while your system is updating or shutting down while it is still open will cause Excel corruption. File storage problems. When your hard drive or storage device becomes corrupted and damages the Excel file. Malware, virus attack. Being exposed to dangerous malicious software that damages the integrity of your Excel. Third-party conflicts. When additional software interacts poorly with Excel, causing files you are working on to not respond. So let's dive into the next part. How to fix broken, corrupt Excel with UltraRepair. iMyPhone UltraRepair is a powerful tool that can repair various broken or corrupt files instantly. This is the broken Excel file that can't open. Step 1. Install and launch iMyPhone UltraRepair on your computer. Then choose Enhance and GT, File Repair, to import the broken Excel file. Step 2. Then click Repair. UltraRepair will start to repair your broken Excel. Step 3. Wait a minute, the broken Excel will be repaired successfully. Click Save As. Now you will get a normal and new Excel file. Okay, this is today's video. If you have any questions about how to repair a corrupt or broken Excel, please feel free to leave a comment for us. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.